all my dear classmates. Good morning to you all. I am Akansha from BCA Q 5th semester batch 1. Today I am here to demonstrate a topic that is JButton in Java. So first of all I will discuss what is JButton. JButton is a swing component in Java used for creating buttons. It is a part of JavaX.swing package. It allows user interaction via mouse click. So next one is how to import a JButton. Import javax.swing.jbutton is used to import JButton in Java. We have to import JButton to use it in our program. Next one is how to create a JButton. So for creating JButton, we write JButton button is equal to new JButton click me. Here JButton is a class of swing package and button is a variable name that holds the button, and new JButton creates button object and click me will show on the button. Next one is adding JButton to frame. JButton needs to be added to a container like JFrame. So here is the code how do we add JButton on frame. First of all we have to create a JFrame with title example frame, and then we have to create button and with label click me. After that we have to add frame button on frame using add function, and we can also set the size of button size of frame using set size, and we make it visible using set visible true. And next one is event handling with JButton. For adding functionality to the button, we use event handling, and here we use add action listener method to add functionality to the JButton. And whenever user click to the click button, it will print button clicked to the console. Next one is JButton properties. We can also say that it is the method of JButtons. For change text, we use method set text. It will show a new label on the button. And next one is set enable false. It will disable button. We cannot click button. And next one is set tooltip. For set tooltip, it will show simple message whenever we hover over the button. So these are the methods of JButton. And next one we explain. I will explain example of JButton. Here we import swing package because we after that we are able to use classes of swing package, and after that I will create a class named JButton example. Then we create a main function, main method. It is a beginning or entry point of program. In main method we create a frame with title JButton example. Then we create a button with label click me, and we add functionality to the button using add action listener method, using add action listener method. And whenever user clicked on button, it will show button clicked on console. And after this all we have to add button on frame. For adding button we add function, and we can also set the size of frame using set size method, and we set default close operation. It ensures that application exit when the JFrame is closed. And the last one is set visible. It makes the frame visible to the user. So here is the same code. I will show you the output of this code. So first of all, I will compile this program. and I will write a command to run this program. So you can see that here is the button with the label click me. So this is the example of JButton. That's all. Thank you.